I just got this hat in from Clape and I want to take a quick look. So I've been wanting one of these for a long time and I finally got one. First off, we're gonna have a nice tag from Clape. I do like that. It's like a marble, aqua marble. That's pretty cool. Got a QR code on the back. Make sure you scan that. And we're gonna have this awesome hat with the flaps on it. So it's gonna have a brim like a baseball cap, and we're gonna have nice flaps going down to cover your ears, like Russian style hat. We got a nice pull tie in the back. All right, so this thing is awesome. Comes in a couple different colors. I like how it has like the fleece material on here. Super warm. Let's throw this thing on. Oh yeah, that is super warm. Okay, we have a nice strap on the base here. So you could pull to tighten that up or just let that hang, you know, whatever your style is. Unsnap it, and there's a couple different ways you can wear this, but first off, that is just super warm. It's really light on the head. It doesn't feel super bulky, but this goes all the way down to the side of my face. So I can feel the side of my face getting warm, and we got the pull in the back. So if that is a little bit loose, it's gonna be a one size fits all. And this brim is actually really cool because you can wear this a bunch of different ways. You can kind of just like throw it up. I think that's pretty cool. If that brim's in your way, you can kind of just do like a retro style, and you can put this all the way down. You can put like a little arch in it. There's kind of like a thicker wire going just around the outside. Really comfortable and soft. And you can also flip this up completely. And you can snap that on the top, so now you're wearing it like this. So if your ears are getting a little hot, you can still keep the hat on, flip that up, and that just makes it super practical. This thing is awesome, and I'm actually loving it. I like the back. I think that's awesome. Let's see what this looks like backwards. Oh yeah, that's cool. Flip that up. I like this thing. This is awesome. Check out the other colors. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.